Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Amita Ashwaryam, and today we are back with Pokemon Go, and this is the part 2 of my rare Pokédex Pokemon and the collection which I have. So if you have not watched my last video which was posted 3 years ago, so make sure to watch it. I'll definitely recommend you to it. And now let's see my Pokédex. So here you can see firstly I have mainly caught completed this Kanto region, meaning the generation 1. So you can see I have caught all these Pokemon, lots and lots of development done by me. And first we'll start by all this. So now I have Bulbasaur 34 caught, then Ivysaur 2, Venusaur, Charmander 75. The reason why I got so many is because of the community day, and I also got a shiny. Yes, I guess. Yes. Then next we have Charmeleon. I also have got the shiny Charmeleon. Then we have Charizard. Okay, and I have the shiny Charizard as well, which is black in color. Then we have Squirtle. So I have two Squirtle, Wartortle, and one Lucky Blastoise. And I have three Blastoise in total. So now next we have Caterpie. Okay, Caterpie. Yeah, so you will see that I have caught 24 of the Caterpies. Then we have two Metapods, two Butterfree, Weedle 66, a large amount of it. I don't know why, because it quite often appears. So next we have Kakuna 8, then Beedrill 3. Okay, then we have Pidgey. So I have 16 Pidgeys caught, and then Pidgeotto 9, and then Pidgeot 4. Then we have 59 Rattata, got this as well today. And then Raticate 7, Spearow 13, then Fearow 2, Ekans 26, and I have also got this shiny Ekans, which is insanely lucky for me. Then we have this Arbok and this shiny Arbok, which is the evolved form of Ekans. So now next we have Pikachu, and I have got 45 Pikachus total. And then we have Raichu as well, 7 Raichus. This is the Alolan form and this is the normal form. Yeah, so then we have Sandshrew, which if you had seen my last video, I already had it, but this had been transferred by me. I don't know why, because I don't have it right now. Then Nidoran 17, Nidorina 1. Then we have Nidoran, the male one, and then we have Nidorino here, two Nidorinos, and then one Nidoking. Then we have Clefairy 4, then Vulpix 34, and I also have shiny Vulpix, which is truly new release and insanely lucky for me to get it. And I'll evolve it into shiny Ninetales later on. So now next we have Jigglypuff, 8 Jigglypuff card, and if you know that this is Wigglytuff, here this Pokemon you see. So at 10 November, the Spotlight R is going to be there, which also of Jigglypuff as well. So we'll easily be able to get this Wigglytuff. Then we have Zubat. So I have 9 Zubats in all, 3 Golbats, then 17 Oddish, Gloom 5, and then Vileplume. I have then got Paras, 6 Paras, and then 1 Parasect. Then we have 31 Venonat, 2 Venomoth, 4 Diglett, seen this Duckryu but didn't caught it. Then we have Meowth with its Alolan form, and then with its Galarian form. So all this I had. So you'll see that I have evolved all of them. Like this is the normal Meowth, this is then Persian, Meowth into Persian, Alolan Persian, then Meowth into Galarian Persica. Then we have 5 Persian hairs. So next I just see this Alolan form, and now 16 Psyduck, 1 Golduck, then 3 Mankey. Seen this Primeape but haven't got it yet. Then we have 15 Growlithe with an Arcanine as well. Then we have Poliwag, 5 Poliwag, then 1 Poliwhirl, and then we have to get this Poliwag. Then we have Abra, 14 Abra. to Kadabra and seen this Alakazam. Then we have got this Machop, 7 Machop, 2 Machoke, and seen this Machamp. Then we have Bellsprout. I have got 20 Bellsprouts, 2 Weeping Bell. Then we have 1 Victory Bell, which I truly love this. Then we have 6 Tentacools. Then this is Tentacruel, and I missed it on the Spotlight all day. Now this is the Geodude. Geodude, I have the Graveler, the evolved form of Geodude, and this is the Alolan form of the Graveler, I guess. Yeah. Then we have next Golem. I have seen this Golem. I really want this as well. Now next we have 11 Ponytas, then 2 Rapidash. Not got the Galarian form of it, which is the Psychic type one. Then we have Rapidash, Slowpoke, 6 Slowpoke, then 16 Magnemite, 2 Magneton, and just waiting for this Magnezone. Then we have Farfetch'd, Galarian Farfetch'd. This is the normal form, and this is the Galarian form. And this, I really want this Surfetch'd. This is the evolved form of Galarian Farfetch'd. Then we have Doduo, 25 Doduo, then 2 Rodrios, then we have Seal. Yeah, Seal we have one, really want it. Then we want this 6, we have 6 Grimers as well as an Alolan form. Okay, so next we have Muck. We have seen this Muck, not got it. 6 Shelter, 1 Cloyster, then Ghastly, 26 Ghastly, yes, only because it was the Halloween event going out right now. Then we have this 5 Haunter with 1 Lucky, and then I have got this Gengar, costumed Gengar, and as well as the costume form. Then we need this Mega Evolution Mega Gengar. 4 Onyx, then we have 7 Drowsy, and seen a Hypno but didn't got it. Then we have 4 Krabby, then 1 Kingler, then we have 5 Voltorb, need this Electrode, then we have Execute, 27 Execute, and now we have 2 Executors, then we have 2 Cubones, and it has the Spotlight hour today at 6 p.m. Right now it's 3 p.m. So then we have Marowak. I've got the Alolan form as well. Next, then we have Hitmonlee, and didn't got this T-Rogue. Then we have Hitmonchan, 14 Coffin, and this Weezing, also the Galarian form 1 as well, which is truly doesn't look good at all, but it's good. Then we have 19 Rhyhorn, then 2 Rhydon, and then 1 Chansey, 15 Tangela. I have got 15 Tangela, and then we need this Tangrowth. We really want this. This is a true legendary Pokemon, that is Kangaskhan. Then we have 3 Horsea, didn't catch it after the last video. So then we have 4 Goldeen. Then Staryu, 3 Staryu, 1 Starmie. Then we have 4 Skyther. We need this Scizor. Then we have 14 Jinx, and I have the smaller form as well, which is Smoochum. And then we have 4 Electabuzz. Then we have seen this Magmar, and then we have got 127, got 17 Pincers, 4 Taurus. I really need this again. 7 Magikarp, seen this Gyarados, didn't got it. 5 Lapras now. Truly happy for this. Then 2 Dittos. Yo! Then we have got 64 EVs as well. All the forms of it, which you'll see: Vaporeon, Jolteon, Flareon, Espeon, Umbreon, Leafeon, Glaceon. Then we have 4 Vaporeon here, 3 Jolteon, 2 Flareon, 80 Porygon. I have the shiny Porygon as well. Then we have Omanite. Then we have Omastar as well. So in Omanite, I have also got this shiny Omanite. Then we have seen Omastar. And then we have Kabuto. I really want this evolved form of Kabuto. Then we have 5 Aerodactyl, 1 Snorlax. Then we have 5 Moltres, one of the legendary birds. Then I have this Dratini. Then Dragonite seen yet. Dragonite seen yet. This is a truly god Pokemon. I have got this Mewtwo. Then we'll see next what's next with us in the Kanto region. So yeah, Kanto region completed. Next, we move on to 10 minutes are already done. I'll just explain in short. Not completed this yet, but this is also going great right now, and I'll soon complete it by the end of this year. Not necessarily that I'll complete it, but I think I will. Then normal everything. Then Huen region, nah, not completed at all. Then 40 in Sinnoh region. Then got this Darkrai yesterday, legendary one. Then we have this Giratina. Then they seen 2 Heatrans but didn't caught it. One Dusknoir caught during the Halloween event. Yeah. So next we have Victini, mythical Pokemon. Yo guys. It's a mythical Pokemon. So next you'll see all these things. And in the Galar region we have one that is a Persicker. So this was my Pokédex. I'll just show you my Pokemon and you'll see the highest CP1 and it is Moltres of 2603 CP. Then we have Porygon Zs, 2 Porygon Zs, and also got this shiny Porygon Z. And then we have one Roserade. Then we have Gengar, Pinsir, Leafeon, Roserade once more, Sock. Then we have this Darkrai. Then this Rock type Rhydon, Hariyama, Grass type. What is this? Venusaur, Giratina. Then what is this? Hondoom. So just what you'll see here. So that was my collection of my Pokemon. Nothing so special going on right now. I'm just preparing for today's spotlight hour. So let's see what happens now. Yo. So hope you enjoyed this video. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys next time.